Welcome. Today in front of me VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So now by double press the down volume button, we can see here any actions. That's why if you want to launch to activate a quick launch, let's open the settings application, and after that we should scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility, then click here to the quick action, and just to activate it we should click only once on the switcher. Now we have selected here the flashlight. We can switch it, for example, to open the camera app, and now by just press of down volume button of our device, we can open the camera application. So to do that we should lock our device, and now just press down volume button, and we can see that the quick access to the camera app successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.